Welcome back, friends! I feel happy because you will accept a new challenge from me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wish you luck. Choose your gift, Lunchbox edition. First Lunchbox. Choose your fruit juice. Choose your Starbucks drink. What you get, comment below. Next, choose your popcorn. Oh no, there is burnt popcorn. Choose your cupcakes. Next, what would you pick for your soda drink? Choose your pancakes. What would you choose, left, right, or middle? Choose your cinnamon rolls. Next, what cheesecake do you pick? There is burnt cheesecake. Next, let's satisfy your sweet tooth with some candy. What would you pick? Choose your sushi. Choose your skewer. What would you pick? What ice cream would you pick? Number 1, 2, or 3? Complete your lunchbox with your drink. What would you pick? Oh no, there's empty glasses. Choose your mac and cheese for your lunchbox. There's raw macaroni. What burger would you choose for your lunch? Number 2, only a burger bun. Choose your brownies. Choose your chocolate for lunchbox. Next, what hot dog would you pick for your lunch? Choose your Jell-O. No way! Number 2 is Jell-O powder. What French fries would Ho pick for your lunchbox? Number 1 is raw potato. Choose your sandwich. Number 1, 2 or 3 would you pick for your lunchbox? Choose your breakfast. Number 2 is empty plate. Choose your cake roll. Choose your donuts, left, right, or middle. Do you like cotton candy? What would you pick? Choose your pie. What nuggets would you pick for your lunchbox? Number 2 is burnt nugget. Choose your chips. What nachos would you choose? Number 1, 2, or 3? Next, choose your cake. Which number would you choose? Number 3 is raw pasta. Choose your tacos. Choose the paper bag for your lunch. Next, what would you pick for your lunch? Do you like fried chicken? What would you pick? Next, choose your macarons. Choose your waffles. Next, what noodle would you pick? Choose your burrito. Choose your pizza, number 1, 2, or number 3. Choose your onion rings. Next, pick your salad for lunch. Complete your lunchbox with fruit. What would you pick? Choose your soup. Choose your hot wings. Choose your McDonald's milkshake for lunch. Last question, choose your shrimp number 1, 2, or 3.